We are Xiaomi global distributor. We support B2B global trading business, and we support small order global sending. They are Redmi Note8 smartphone, a very hot smartphone since 2019 August. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We can make it global sending. If you want to make B2B business of Xiaomi products, you can contact with us. Okay, now let's go into review the smartphone Redmi Note8. It have 4 colors: blue color, black color, white color, and purple color. It will include 1 piece Type-C USB cable, 1 piece charger. We will have UK adapter, Europe adapter, and Australian adapter for your market need. Include 1 piece Redmi smartphone. One piece Japan. 1 piece manual and warranty certificate. 1 piece silicone case. Okay, now let's continue to review the smartphone one by one. White color, 48 megapixel camera, f1.8 picture. Ultra wide camera is 8 megapixel, f2.2 picture. Both cameras are 2 megapixel, f2.4 picture. Fingerprint, Type-C USB port, and headphone jack. Infrared, and it supports FM radio also. All Google applications, include Google Play Store. About the phone. Here are all the language menus it supports. It supports dual nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Fingerprint sensor, LED flashlight. It is a 6.3-inch water drop display. (19.5 to 9 radio). Front and back glasses are 5th generation Corning Gorilla glasses. We can see the details of the picture. Blue color. Its CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 octa-core, 2.0 GHz. Memory have 32 GB ROM, 3 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM, 4 GB RAM, or 128 GB ROM, 4 GB RAM, or 6 GB RAM. Its battery built-in is 4000 mAh battery built-in. Support 90 watt 2 ampere 9 volt fast battery charger. This one is black color. Supports all Google applications, include Google Play Store. It supports GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Bluetooth, FM radio, infrared, Type-C to USB port. Okay, thank you for your watching. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We can make it global sending. If you want to make B2B the business of the smartphones, you can contact with us. Thank you for your watching.